Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Virtual Wellness. It's so good to have you here. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in. Today, I've got something super special for all you remote workers, parents, and professionals out there. Whether you're juggling work and family or just trying to stay productive at home, these tips are for you. We're diving into 4 quick and unique ergonomics tips to boost your mental health while you work from home. These tips are designed to help you create a workspace that not only supports your body, but also nurtures your mind. Ready? Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, your workspace should be your sanctuary. It's where you spend a significant portion of your day, so make it comfortable and inviting. Make sure your desk and chair are at the right height. This means your feet should be flat on the floor, and your knees should be at a 90-degree angle. Keep your computer screen at eye level to avoid that neck strain. This simple adjustment can prevent a lot of discomfort. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. You'll feel the relief almost immediately. Tip number 2, stand up and stretch. Sitting all day is a no-go. Our bodies are not designed to be stationary for long periods. Stand up, stretch, or take a quick walk every hour. This helps to keep your blood flowing and your muscles active. Even a 5-minute break can refresh your mind and keep you focused. Set a timer if you need a reminder. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some exercise. You can do simple stretches or even a few jumping jacks. Tip number 3, natural light is your best friend. It not only brightens up your workspace, but also boosts your mood and energy levels. If possible, set up your workspace near a window. The natural light can help regulate your sleep-wake cycle and improve your overall well-being. If not, invest in a good quality desk lamp. Look for one that mimics natural light to get similar benefits. Bright, warm light helps to lift your mood and keep those energy levels up. You'll notice a significant difference in your productivity. Tip number 4, add some personal touches to your workspace like photos, plants, or anything that makes you smile. Personalizing your space can make it feel more welcoming and less like a sterile work environment. A clutter-free space equals a clutter-free mind. Keeping your workspace organized can help reduce stress and improve your focus. Remember, taking care of your ergonomics is not just about physical well-being, it's about mental health too. A well-organized and comfortable workspace can significantly impact your mental state. Every little adjustment can lead to a happier, more productive you. Small changes can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Virtual Wellness, for more helpful tips on mental health and wellness. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread the message of well-being. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Stay well, friends. Take care of yourselves and your workspace.